Let me show you an easy way to update your Instagram account to get the latest features. Big redesigns of Instagram inevitably come with bugs. So if you do see bugs on your app, make sure to go to the App Store or Google Play Store and constantly update it to the latest version to get rid of those bugs. Now, the first thing you'll do is head into the App Store or Google Play Store. You need to make sure it is updated in here first. So on here, let's just type in Instagram. And right next to Instagram, if it says update here, just update to the latest version. This will give you some of the new features. But keep in mind, you can open up the Instagram app and get more features by tapping on the profile at the very bottom right, and then the 3 lines at the very top right. After you've done that, you'll be able to see a new option that says Update Instagram. Just tap on that, and it says Access Reels and Messages from Everywhere, introducing swiping between Spaces, Reels, and the camera. So just tap on Update Now, and keep in mind, after you do that, you might need to close out of Instagram and open it up again. Now, after you've done that, you'll be able to see a whole new redesign at the very bottom here. Now I can swipe between Reels, my messages, the home, etc. All of that, you can swipe between all of that, messages, the search or explore, and your profile. In addition to all of that, if you need to get to your messages, they'll now be at the bottom center. You can just tap on that to get to your messages and to be able to see any messages you sent or someone sent you.